up. Damn! Oh, there's more. Let me get up here. Fucking cold out in this bitch. Oh, fuck me. Damn! Good God! That motherfucker got solid fucking rock. Well, guess what? It's gonna get broke. Watch this shit. I'm gonna find me a spot. Right here. Watch this, guys. Right here, watch. But no, fuck this. Let me get a selfie stick real quick. Look at that solid motherfucker. That's fucking solid shit, dude. Take a picture before I break that. Hold on, guys. Motherfucker. Put right here. It'll stay. Alrighty. Get the blurriness off. Alright, guys. We're going to be smashing this huge fucking cocky ice. Look at this shit. It's in this bucket over here. Look at that shit. It's solid rock. We're going to bust it. Watch this. Motherfucker! Holy shit. That motherfucker's fucking down. Look at that shit. Fucking broke. Look at that fucking shit. Damn. Motherfucking shit. I'll break it more, bitch. Kiss my motherfucking ass, bitch. Lick my crotch and say, go suck it, daddy. Suck me, daddy. Oh shit, that's cold. I did not see that coming. That ice. Shit, daddy, suck my balls. Oh man, I got a hard, big old fucking D. Oh shit. Oh shit. God, eh? Good God. Guys, look at this solid ice. Fucking solid. We're gonna throw it. Motherfucker! Look at that. Fucking cold shit. Fuck. Damn. Guys, can you see me at the table? There's ice on this fucking table. So we're gonna slide it out. Ready? Oh, say, can you see? Oh, shit. Damn. That motherfucker came off. Damn, bro. Oh, shit. I got it back. Oh, say, can you see? That's fucking ice right there. Let me get my glove. Fuck this shit. My glove. I need my glove. My gloves? What did you do to this thing? Guys, bringing the phone in house until we find my gloves to do that stuff with. I get to find them. Then we'll do some more of that cool icy stuff for the last day of 2015. So yeah. Oh, one more thing. We're getting ready to shoot some more shoots, so let's go ahead and shoot some. So we can make any. Right there. Right motherfucking there. Bitch. Okay, you'll be able to see the selfie stick too. Get your ass out of my road. Now, here's the box over here. If it goes in that box, it's minus. 2 here, 3 there. Here we go. Actually, we're going to do it from back ways. Okay, right here. Now we have to move some shit. And this motherfucker's about to fall. Alright, let's put it up here. You'll be able to see it better. Okay. Move this. Let you guys know, Clemson's losing 7-3. Woo! Oh, he's in the lead. We're gonna fucking do this. Let's see if we can make it. You know what? Let's put it right here. Move this bitch. Move this bitch. And set it right there. Alright. Alright, let's go turn it around actually, because I don't want the selfie stick in the